and I am super excited to be broadcasting right here from my very own kitchen. And guess who I have with me? The Certified Celebrator!
I'm so excited to be here. Thanks for having me, girl.
Brittany Young. I brought Brittany in because we are launching our FSJ Spring into Summer catalog.
And I love every single thing.
It's called Celebrating Life's Moments. And I know you're a big celebrator for every season and all the holidays,
Yes.
but what about those everyday moments?
I love to find something to celebrate every stinking day. Every day. Every day we celebrate a little something.
So I had an idea.
Okay.
So pause, hold that thought. We are gonna do a Sunday brunch together.
I love that.
Do you love this idea?
I love this idea. A brunch with your girlfriends or a brunch just with your family.
Sure.
Or just your people.
Anybody.
Anybody. Like
Guess
a shower.
what? It doesn't even have to be Sunday.
Can we eat
Sunday's a good day though.
Yes, Sunday's a great day.
We're gonna have Sunday brunch. I'm gonna have Brittany help me with all the things in between the food, the table, the decorating, the little party favors. We're gonna work together.
I'm so excited.
Bring an amazing Sunday brunch for you. So let's get started.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, so one thing that we wanted to add to the table, and I love just the texture, and I love the thought of being able to give something to someone that they can use. So we have strawberry jam, fresh strawberry jam, by the way.
Homemade, okay.
That they're gonna get
so
to
cute.
eat, they're gonna get to enjoy, but I think it needs a little bit of life. So I want to add something to it. I don't exactly know what.
Okay,
Can
I've
you
got
help
some
me with
ideas.
that?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So you come up with a little fun party ideas, and I'll help you with the paper crafting end.
Perfect.
All right, good. So what I thought we could do is take our cute little flannel life.
I love this.
Love
piece.
this. So it's kind of like a little gingham, this little fun thing going on. So we're gonna go ahead and stamp it with candy apple just on white cardstock. So I already did that, but look, it's perfect.
Perfect.
Got our little circle die. Pop that thing out, and so watch this. The circle
on
die
there
fits
perfectly.
perfect. So you take off the little ring. You don't want to break the seal quite yet. We'll let them do that when they eat it. And then we'll just center it. You could add a little dot of glue if you wanted, but I think it'll stay pretty tight.
It's perfect. Then you can move it around and put
Tighten
it
it
exactly
up.
where you need.
Right, so already cute,
Love it.
yes. And then we took our new little Sunday morning stamp set, and then you guys can't really see it too much. We'll see if we can show it here.
So it's best friends.
It just says best friends.
I love it.
Little tiny tag,
Yes.
best friends.
Anything this size is always adorable. I know. This little size right
The
here.
tinier the better. So then we'll just thread it through and just tie it on. I don't think we need more than that, right?
I don't think so.
Super
I mean, it's
simple,
just
super cute.
enough to make it feel just really like fancy almost.
Yeah, add that cute little touch.
Okay, so the
I'll
other thing
just
that
tie
we're
it
gonna
on.
do to our table is we wanna give everybody their own coffee cups, and we're gonna use disposable coffee cups.
Sure.
But we wanna kick it up a little bit.
Right.
And so we have a red heart that we're just gonna glue
the little
on.
pierced heart? Perfect. Just
Yeah.
dress up that cut a wee little bit.
Just to dress it up, right. And then that way they can enjoy brunch at the table, but then afterwards, if we move outside or move to the living room to chit chat, they just take their coffee mug
And
with
they can have a
them.
coffee to go.
They can have a coffee to go. Just
Love
hold it
that.
on there for a few minutes so that your craft glue dries.
Meanwhile, it took me like 5 minutes to tie this bow. You think I'm a professional at this one?
It's so small, isn't
know.
it?
Oh no, it's popping
You
off.
know, a really cute little knot would be fun too.
Exactly.
Okay, love this.
I'll add my cute little bow. Why is it popping off?
You cut your string too short. Are you trying to save your string?
No, but I am going to add one little dab of glue. That is a great idea.
To keep your tag in place.
Put one little dab.
Oh, this is
Alrighty.
precious.
It won't stick on there, but
Look how cute.
Right? So best friends, right?
It's adorable. Love
so we're
it.
going to put these on the table.
Yes.
So is that what we're saying?
And they're
Okay.
going to get to eat with them and take them home if they want
Exactly.
to. Perfect.
Okay, let's put them on the table.
Yeah.